Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Etsy seller dashboard for market expansion, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.etsy.com and press enter. On the Etsy homepage, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you want to stay signed in, check the Keep Me Signed In box. Then, click on the Sign In button to log into your account. Once logged in, look for your profile icon at the top right corner. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Shop Manager. You will be redirected to here. You will see various options to manage your shop. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Explore sections such as listings, orders, and marketing. You can also view your shop statistics and performance metrics. If you're looking to expand your market, navigate to the marketing section. In this area, you can access tools for promotion and advertising. Begin with social media sharing options to reach a wider audience. Consider utilizing Etsy's SEO tools to optimize your listings. This will help increase visibility in search results. Once you have explored the dashboard, revisit any tools or settings as needed. Feel free to log out when you are finished by clicking on your profile icon again. Select the Sign Out option from the drop-down menu. Following these steps will ensure a smooth login to your Etsy seller dashboard for market expansion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.